Earlier today, Lori and I decided to try to make a new dessert called the Cowboy Cookie. And so, Lori, why don't you tell us a little bit about this cookie?
This cookie is from Cook's Country of America's Test Kitchen, and it's a brown sugar cookie, and there's a lot of added ingredients that give it a lot of texture. This particular recipe had pecans, oatmeal, chocolate chips, and some roasted coconut. So we cooked it outside in the Ooni skillet, in the Ooni Koda 16 in the skillet, and now we're going to serve it.
And if we did it right, you should see some of the cuts from us cooking it out there. And one of the things we were trying to do was keep the temperature in the 350 to 400 range by using a very low flame setting. And then we also rotated the skillet pan a lot to make sure we were trying to get an even cook all the way around the cookie, given the L design of the Koda 16. So it smelled great, I tell you that.
I think this the scraper really makes it easy to cut too. Okay. And we're going to serve it with a little ice cream.
All right, look at that.
Came right out.
Yeah. And we had a fallback plan. If it didn't come right out, we would just crumple it up, put it in a bowl, and put some ice cream on it. But
it looks like we're going to have success.
Yeah.
Well, let's see how it looks.
Okay, look at that. I don't know. You be the judge. Of course, we're going to taste it. So,
oh, sorry.
Well, I'm going to take a little ice cream and then a little bit of the cookie.
How's it?
I like it. Of course, it's dessert. But it tastes good. So since you had certain expectations, why don't you kind of review what your thoughts are on how we did in cooking it?
Well, as we were cooking it, we made sure to rotate the skillet regularly to prevent burning. And Bill set the oven so the oven was pretty close to a regular oven temperature using the below...
A regular house oven.
Yeah, regular house oven. And I think we left it in just a little bit too long, but the cookie still has a lot of nice texture and still chewy.
Mm-hmm.
And I think it's really good, and it goes really well with ice cream.
So, if you're putting together a pizza meal or cooking some other entree in your Ooni Koda 16 and you're looking for a dessert idea, this might be one you want to try. We'll put a link to the recipe in the description, I think. But it's very tasty, easy to make. Just keep an eye on it while you're cooking it. Use your lower heat setting. And if you're not sure how to go really low on the Ooni Koda 16, we have a video up called Ooni Koda 16 Heat Management Tips that'll get you going in the right direction. But very tasty, didn't crumple, came out in nice pieces, pie-shaped pieces. Great job, sweetie.
Well, thank you.
All right, well, let's close on that.